Hello! This short video will show you how to create a scatter plot with a trend line in Google Sheets. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here I have some data in Google Sheets. It is numerical data and is information about the death rates from suicide for females here in column C and males in column D. The values here are number of deaths per 100,000 people, and they have been age adjusted. Okay, on my scatter plot, I would like the x-axis to be female death rate and the y-axis to be male death rate. So I will have the x-axis be on the left here and the y-axis on the right. I will select both of those columns. Underneath Insert, Chart, and you can see that a scatter plot is automatically created here by Google Sheets. One of the first things that I would like to do is to make the aspect ratio close to 1. So that is a square plot. So let's make this more square here. Something like that. It's always a good idea to have that aspect ratio near 1. Google Sheets does give me the label here for the x-axis and a label for the y-axis, and that is just coming from the labels here on the top of that column. If you want to change those, you can. You just would select the box and then type whatever you would like there. So here I'm changing the title, relationship for suicide deaths in large US cities, for example, could be my title. Okay, the next thing I want to do then is to show you how to get a trend line. And what I'm going to do that is just select a data value here, and I get the chart editor over here on the right. There are several tabs here, and the one that you want open is going to be the Series tab. Near the bottom of the Series tab is a checkbox for trend line here. And when I click on that, it's going to give me the trend line. I have a lot of options for my trend line here. I can select the type. There's a variety here. In this course, we'll just stick with linear. Underneath the label, I can actually get my prediction equation. So once I select Use Equation here, you will see that appear underneath my title. So there's my prediction equation. And then finally, there is a Show R-squared. R-squared will just tell me about the quality of my fit, and you can display that as well if you would like. Once you get your information displayed as you would like, you can just get out of the chart editor, and you have your scatter plot with the trend line, with the equation also, and the R-squared value there. Okay, that does it then for this video. Thank you.